Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how can you fix this type of error on YouTube. So guys, here you can see when I'm trying to log in my another account on YouTube. So you can see here there is just email. So on this email I have created one channel. On other accounts you can see here an error occurred, so tap to retry. So to fix this, what you have to do is just simply close this page, and firstly let me tell you that you have to open Play Store, or you have to search for Retry Studio. So you can see here it's updated. If you can see here update, then you have to update your Retry Studio, then you have to tap on YouTube, and you can see here my YouTube is also updated. If your YouTube is not updated, then you have to update your YouTube, and then you have to open your YouTube and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. So guys, here you can see the problem is exists there. So let me tell you that this is a bug from YouTube, and they will fix this problem. So this problem will automatically fixed because this is a bug from YouTube. So that is the way guys you can easily fix this type of error. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.